We spend so much time down here just trying to keep up on our vehicles that we tend to forget to keep up on ourselves. Most importantly, our diet. We seem to always take the convenient route, which leaves us with some pretty poor options. Until now. So Factor offers delivered fresh, never frozen dietary approved meals right to our doorstep. With a menu updating weekly, you could choose from 29 plus meals and 33 plus add-on options. With just 2 minutes in the microwave, you have yourself a gourmet meal with ingredients to help you feel your best all day long. All right, kill the B-roll. That smells too good.
It smells official. Wow. That was really good.
2 minutes in the microwave. I feel like a gourmet chef just dropped this off on my doorstep. So thanks to Factor, I no longer have to sacrifice quality for convenience. It keeps me and the boys fed, feeling good, and helps us focus on what we're good at, which is not meal prep. So guys, head to go.factor75.com/JimmyO130 and use code JimmyO130 to get $130 off across 6 boxes. And remember, head to go.factor75.com/JimmyO130 to get $130 off across 6 boxes. But for now, let's get back to work. Coop's outside looking like a whole ass snack. She's back on the road, boys. Compressor chill. So we had a lot of issues with the coupe, as you guys remember, the transmission. We figured it out, made sure everything was good this morning. Tomorrow we're drifting. Finally drifting. I'm so excited. We're going to Thompson Motor Speedway, my local track, my favorite. I haven't been there like at all this season, especially with the car performing like this. Because as you guys know, it's been a trialing process of getting this thing where I want it to be, and right now it feels so sick, so I'm so excited. We got a couple hours left today before we have to finish up and get it all packed for tomorrow, and I want to do something because I was walking through my shop. Thank you, bud. And I was thinking, right, this season I've been trying to drive more cars. Even though it might not seem it on camera, I have been trying. We work a lot down here, we go to my house. That's all my life is at this point. But there's been a car I've been thinking about seeing, dying to drive, a trusty steed, my R33, which is somewhere back there. If you guys don't remember this car, this is my R33 GT plus T. I'm gonna consider it because it's not a true GTST. It's actually a GT base that we turned into a GTST with some other fancier parts on top, right? RB25 Series 1. That actually is really pretty. Very happy with this engine bay. Got all the right parts on there, right? Stock, it looks like it's a stock turbo, but it has a basically 3071 shoved into a neo housing. The whole thing's cool. I love this car. We robbed the wheels off of it for the Black Z because they look absolutely like ridiculous on that car. And I threw the Black Z's wheels on it, and they're too aggressive to actually drive the car. Plus it's been in the back, out of sight, out of mind, so busy. You guys, I don't need to make any more excuses. Things happen, you might not get it, but here it is. I want to get it out of here because if it's out of here, I'll drive it because it has air conditioning, it runs great, it's comfy, it's big man friendly. R33s are the best. But today is the day we take it out of hibernation.
We gotta move some things around though.
Yeah, we got some stuff in the way.
This can go.
There's definitely a lot of things that we should probably talk about, but I'll explain them later.
Huh. Speaking of neglected.
Is it battery check? Come on, baby, you got this. Ooh, she's a good car. She's a good unit. I completely forgot that we dyno tuned this thing on ethanol, and we ran out of fuel system.
Yeah.
That's it.
That was it.
I'm shot. It's a good ass car.
We gotta paint that bitch.
It's fast, almost looks dope. Every time I drive it, I'm like, yo, that's fast. That's hella fun. And then I'm just like, cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like I'm no different than any other car guy. You have your moments where you love things. You have moments where you get bored of them. It's just like life, right? Yeah, I sleep on this car heavy. This thing's dumb fast. Yeah, this car's sick. What's next, Steve? This one breaks my heart. This was a good Steve. This was the backbone of all of this. You guys remember this? It got blown up and we could never find an engine for it. I spent a lot of effort trying to get an engine for this thing. I would find them in Japan, I couldn't get them over here, and then I couldn't find them stateside, and we were gonna swap something into it, and I couldn't find something worth, oh my God, my nose is bleeding.
That's how fast the E36 is.
This is a winter project, I'm gonna say it, because I wanna put something cool in here, and that's winter time. We didn't forget about it.
Be on a mixtape
We didn't, yeah, literally, we didn't forget about it, don't worry. We're thinking, we're planning. Piss off, RJ.
Follow Wild Steve on Instagram.
All right, we're gonna hit the.
We might hit the gas.
To the left, harder. All right. Brakes work?
Yeah.
No.
We're not gonna.
Oh boy, slow down. Hold up. Here, go forward until you hit the wall. Wait, just kick the ass end over.
What about Jack?
The bed's not mounted, so there you go. You just scuff the. Yeah. All right, go to your. Oh. There we go. Yeah, we're in here, boys.
Right here, Steve's office.
This is the new table.
Real hard to the right.
I love
All right, now to the left. Perfect, right there. It feels like a dealership, like when you walk in and there's just a car in there.
You always wonder how they got it in there.
It looks pretty dope in here. So RJ was mad that I took his table. So we brought him a new one.
Today's meeting, gonna be no slacking. We're gonna get this truck running here.
This is the meeting. All right, boys. Today's topic is about productivity.
Yeah.
No more drugs. Steve, lay off the snacks. You're going crazy. T-Bone, ever since your braces came off, you've been acting different.
Good different.
We can't be having around here, Wild Steve.
Follow him on Instagram.
Like
Look at Luke. Lupa Chell right here.
Steve, can you send those finals to T-Bone real quick? DJ, wake up! Sure. All right, boys. I think this will piss RJ off properly. Let's get to 33. Come on, baby. Come on, you got this. Yes, sir. I've missed the stink of this car. Holy sh! You'll see it real quick. Front tires literally sitting on fenders right now. So we might have to change the front wheels right here, but we're gonna try to get it out of the shop. If you hear really bad noises, tell me to stop.
Straight.
I mean, they're definitely rubbing hard. I love the look, but it doesn't really fit. It's a little too aggressive, a little too stancy. I could probably make it work if I add camber, make a smaller tire, all that stuff, but I want this car to be more drivable. So we're gonna take these off for now. Maybe relip them later, but I actually picked up another set of wheels that might fit on this thing. It might look like crap, or it might look good. Either way, it gets the car driving. So let's change them.
Technique, technique, technique.
Ah, it's getting tight.
Boom! T7R. Sick. It's cool. It's all right, Will. Nothing. It's kind of like a spicy Kansei tandem, right? These fit a lot more aggressive than I thought they would. Drop her down. Oh,
Man.
oh, that's not bad. Still kind of aggressive, but it fits. Kind of hate it. Let's get the rear on and then bring it outside. Okay, don't hate it as much with it all around. It's a good look, but the car is absolutely filthy, so let's give it a quick wash and then make the final judgment. it looks a lot better. I like the wheels now.
How dirty were those things? They look a completely different color.
Now it's drivable at least. This car is good, and we've talked about this car too many times. Every time we talk about it, I mention about selling it, right? I love this car, I love what it is, but I really want a GTR. And there's a couple chassis I want to own multiple of, obviously, but an R33, I want one. And this one's great, but I really want a GTR, and selling this will help me get there. I need to honestly suck it up, put it for sale. I'm saying it online to hold myself accountable to it. This car is great. If you guys saw the build, it's perfect. It's a super low miles RB25 Series 1 drivetrain. I think it has like 40,000 miles on it. We did everything you're supposed to. You know what I mean? Like regasket everything. We did all the right parts. Super simple. It's like OEM plus, not in a flashy way, but in just having the right parts. I guess I gotta figure out what the heck this thing's worth. And get it up for sale.
DM Steve.
There it is. RJ. Take a seat.
I like this table better. I like this better. This is good.
It's like a dealership showroom, huh?
I mean, it's like a used car dealership showroom, for sure.
Certified. We could put a little we can make a quarter machine, you know, where you put 50 cents in, and it rocks. And it rocks. You know?
Yeah.
Big day, big day. We're here, Thompson Motor Speedway, Lock City Drift. I'm excited. As you guys know, this is like my home drifting, and I haven't been here like all season. I really didn't even. There's my E30. I let me borrow it because he wanted to drift, and he's my good friend. So very excited for this. Stomping grounds with a whole new setup. Feels insane. I did 2 laps just to make sure everything's good. We're just gonna do what I do. Put a GoPro in, enjoy the day. Hopefully catch some cool clips and go from there. Josh, let's see how you're doing today, buddy. Look at Josh being comfy. I'm so proud of him. We're running reverse layout right now, which is a little weird because there's like not a good way to enter a tandem. It's kind of awkward. I scared him a little bit, so I messed up. Oh. It feels good to be back. Now I just gotta kind of like find one tandem buddy and like get used to a driving style so I could like accurately make predicted moves. Junior's got the E30. It's breaking up a little bit, so we're giving her a tune-up. Damn, you have this thing pretty grippy right now.
I have the tires set at 25.
Yeah, that's crazy low for the E30. Yeah. I forgot how fast this car is.
Fast as
it doesn't. That was fast.
giving some beans. Oh. Damn, my car. Ah, I'm so heartbroken. I don't know if something happened. Damn, we were on them too. I think I have a big ass boost leak. Damn it, I was ready to Oh shit.
Everything's going good.
Everything's great. Things happen. This is just drifting. Car's fixed. Just having fun. What's up, buddy? You want a kiss? Huh? You want a kiss?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll catch you.
Depends on your run.
Okay. I'll try and earn it. Tandem on the slowest car here. I mean that out of respect. Dude, that guy has a stock 325. What an animal. Very impressed. Applaud him. That was fire.
I'm gonna change my tires.
Okay.
Alright, we've been drifting. I don't know, my GoPro shot. I forgot to click a button a bunch of times, but I just ran out of gas in it, which is hilarious. I don't think I've ever done that, but when you're having fun, gas flies. Drifting's fun. We don't drift for content. We build content so we can drift. Coupe's been good, it's fast. Tomorrow we're sliding and all my buddies should be driving. This is the fastest the Coupe's been on this track. It feels insane. I'm gonna practice backies, I think, for the rest of the night and wake up, drift with my friends and have an amazing time. So we talked about the R33, right? We brought it out. A lot of people were asking about it and honestly I felt like I needed to touch it. Now is the time of nutting up and honestly getting that thing up for sale. Like I'm putting myself accountable, but you guys, I gotta sell it. I gotta do it, and we're gonna do it, and that will get us into bigger and better things. I'm gonna go have some fun. Thank you guys for watching. You go to the like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. In Austin, have a good night.